Welcome! STEM A Chip presents Master Traffic Signal. In this video, we'll show you how to build a simple traffic light system using LEDs and Arduino Uno. This beginner-friendly project introduces basic electronics through a simple circuit setup and step-by-step Arduino coding, requiring no prior experience. Let's get started and see our red, yellow, and green LEDs light up just like a real traffic light. Let's quickly go over the components you'll need for this project. An Arduino Uno, a breadboard, 3 LEDs, red, yellow, and green, 3 220 ohm resistors, a USB cable, jumper wires. Let's start by placing the breadboard on your workspace. Now, pick up a red LED. Carefully insert its short leg, cathode, negative, to the ground rail, and long leg, anode, positive, in a different column in the breadboard. Make sure each LED's long leg is in a separate column so they don't overlap. Repeat the same for the yellow LED and green LED. Next, connect one end of a 220 ohm resistor to the same column as the red LED's long leg and place the other end across the middle divider. This helps protect the LED. Repeat the same step for the yellow and green LEDs, making sure each one has its own resistor. Next, position the Arduino Uno right next to the breadboard for easy wiring. Use a jumper wire to connect the ground rail on the breadboard to the GND pin on the Arduino. This will provide the necessary ground connection for all 3 LEDs. Take another jumper wire and connect the free end of the red LED's resistor to pin 11 on the Arduino. Next, connect the free end of the yellow LED's resistor to pin 10 on the Arduino, and finally, the free end of the green LED's resistor to pin 9 on the Arduino. Once all the wires are connected, plug in the USB cable to power the Arduino and connect it to your laptop. Now that the wiring is ready, let's bring our project to life with some code. Firstly, open up the Arduino IDE on your computer. Then go to Tools, Board. Under Arduino AVR boards, select Arduino Uno. Next, go to Tools, Port, and choose COM3 or another available port if COM3 doesn't connect. Once you've made these selections, you'll see the board and port details appear at the top of the Arduino IDE window. Now, let's type the code to build the master traffic signal. In our code, we first define which Arduino pins control each LED: red on pin 11, yellow on pin 10, and green on pin 9. In the setup, we set all 3 pins as outputs, so the Arduino can turn each light on and off. When the program starts, it turns the red LED on for 5 seconds, just like a stoplight at an intersection. After the wait, the red LED turns off. Next, the yellow LED comes on for 1 second to warn drivers that the signal is about to change. There's a quick pause, then the yellow LED flashes again for another second. This double flash helps people get ready for the green light. Now, the green LED lights up for 5 seconds. Go time. Cars can move while the green LED is on. After that, the green LED turns off. The yellow LED flashes twice more, each for 1 second, to signal the transition back to red. After the flashing, the whole cycle repeats, just like at a real traffic intersection. Once your code is ready, save it with Ctrl+S. Click the Verify button to compile your code and check for any errors. If the code compiles successfully without errors, you're good to go. Click Upload to send your instructions straight to the Arduino and get it running. Now let's see our traffic signal in action. Your LEDs are lighting up just like a real traffic light. With just a few lines of code, we've created a realistic traffic signal sequence using Arduino. Try changing the timing to make your own custom signals. If you enjoyed this project, hit like and subscribe to STEM a Chip for more beginner-friendly Arduino tutorials. Got questions or project ideas? Share them in the comments. We'd love to hear from you, and we might even feature them next time. Thanks for watching, and remember, with STEM a Chip, learning electronics is about turning ideas into action, keeping your world moving in the right direction, just like a traffic signal.